Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload another content, you'll definitely be notified. So now how can we go about solving this question? Okay, should I say that x raised to the power of 4 to be equal to 4? No, I don't think I want to do that. I can say x raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 0, because x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 is still x raised to the power of 4. So now this looks like what? Difference of 2 squared, which can be a minus b and a plus b. So this is difference of 2 squared. So that is, I can say x raised to the power of 2 minus 2, then x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 to be equal to 0. Okay, which can be x raised to the power of 2 minus 2 equal to 0, or x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 being equal to 0. That is x squared being equal to 2, or x squared being equal to minus 2. Now looking at this, I can take the square root of both sides, which is plus or minus square root of 2, or x being equal to plus or minus square root of minus 2. That is, how can we do this? What do we do? This is x raised to the power of plus or minus square root of 2, or x being equal to plus or minus I square root of 2. So this is the final answer to this question. How do we get this? Square root of minus 2 is square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 2. And minus square root of minus 1 is I. That is I squared plus 1 being equal to 0. I squared is equal to minus 1. Then I is equal to square root of minus 1. So that was how we came about I being equal to the square root of minus 1. So this is the final answer to this question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.